Hi, I'm David Durham, President and CFO of MCA Connect. So what we think makes MCA Connect different compared to other firms that try to help manufacturing companies, we really understand the critical business issues that executives care about and really try to tailor solutions that improve business outcomes by improving the key performance indicators. So that's a message that resonates extremely well with executives. We also have tremendous gritty shop floor management type expertise, and we really improve efficiencies and business processes, which resonates well with the operations side of manufacturing companies. And then finally, we understand technology. So we have expertise when it comes to the Azure cloud, which we think is the most compelling proprietary cloud environment out there, and that gives us expertise and credibility with the IT organization. So very few firms have all three things. All of those things together really make what we think is a compelling business value proposition. And then, I think with that as the backdrop, we really are going to market now with a much more gritty approach. And I think the main message here is that we've been there, we've done that. Our subject matter experts have 30 plus years of manufacturing expertise. They've got the grease under their fingernails. We like to say things like the dirtier the hands, the clearer the visions. Size doesn't matter, but smarts do. And all of those things combined really, we think, make MCA Connect a compelling story in the industry and with manufacturers.